Hi, welcome. My name is Vineet. In this particular video, I will explain basically the concept based on while loop and the related programs. So in this video, I will try to follow these five programs. First, these five programs, okay? And rest of programs, which is there listed out, few programs I will complete in the classroom. And overall, whatever the programs are there in that given PDF, which is already shared in your group, right? All the programs I will explain through this recorded video, and I will make one playlist and upload on the YouTube channel, and the same I will share. So whenever you are free or whenever you want to learn, you can refer and you can, right? Meanwhile, I will just record these five programs in this particular lecture. Rest of whatever programs are there, few certain programs I will explain in the classroom, which is necessary and required and important for the exam point of view. Though all the programs I will record and I will upload, and this will help, you can see there total, these many programs are there. If you accumulate it, maybe it is 100 programs. So we'll do that, okay? So today we'll focus on this. So directly I will take you on the VS Code, and because it's a beginning and it's very simple program already, I think in the previous lecture it was explained. So it's better to directly I will take you on the VS Code, and there only I will explain about it. Okay. So let me connect with VS Code. I think here it is. Okay. Now might you are seeing that VS Code. Here, what I will do, I will first open my folder where basically we are saving our program. So we have created folder in the D drive, as a B2 Python code. There only we are saving all the programs, and this is here you are seeing here our folder. Here only we'll save the program one by one. So the first program, the program name is you have to print 1 to 10 numbers using while loop. So I have given file name 1 to 10. Okay. From here only I will start writing the code. I hope you are getting everything. So how to print 10 numbers 1 to 10 through while loop. So to do that, first you have to take one variable, and from since we want to print from 1 to 10, and in AI suggestion it is coming already. So for your simplicity, I will snooze it so that you can understand it properly. Okay. So let me snooze. I think it's snoozed now. Okay, fine. So I will take one variable I, and I assigned one from 1 to. Now I will run the loop, and you know the syntax of loop, how to declare the while loop and all. So while, then I have to give the condition. So condition, I less than equals to 10. This would be my condition. And now I will put colon and I will hit enter. Now you can see that we are in the scope of while condition, and indented part, you are seeing that this cursor is blinking. Now I will print here my number. So I will simply pass the I. Okay. And now I will increment the loop by 1. Okay. So this is the complete program. Now I have saved this. I will run this. Okay. So before run, let me run it so that you can understand how program flow is there. So in terminal, you can observe here, it is very easily displaying the all 10 numbers are coming. Okay, take this to on top. Okay, fine. You can see here all 10 numbers are coming. Now, I will do debug. Understood? I will do the debug. So I will set the first breakpoint. I set breakpoint. Now I will go to run. I will start debugging through the Python file debug. Now we are at debugging part. Now what I will do here, uh, then start over here. Here it is. Okay. I will start from here. So beginning I have taken I equals to 1. So because I wanted to print the number from 1. So now currently 1 is less or equal to 10, condition is true. So that's why your pointer will come inside the loop, and the 1 will get print. Okay. Now you are incrementing by 1. Now I become 2 because I plus equals to 1 means it will add 1 in the previous I value. So now 2 is less than 10. Condition is again true. Okay. So it will come inside, 2 will get print, and this will go up to 10 times. You can observe here. I am just, since it's a simple program, so I am just forwarding it. Once it will become 10, 10 less than equals to 10, correct? Okay, printed. Now I value become 11, but this time condition got failed. So you will come out from the loop. And this is how you will get the all 10 numbers you are observing here in the output part. Okay, fine. Now I will remove the breakpoint and I will take you back. So this is about the how to print the 10 numbers. Okay. Now I will take the second program, print numbers from 10 down to 1 means reverse. I wanted to print the 10 numbers 1 to 10 in reverse order means 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in this order. So to do that, I will take one more file 10 to 1.py. This would be my file name. Now we are at the this part. Okay. Now here how you will do that. Guess, might you are guessing how to reverse the number. So to reverse the number, I will take the copy of this code only. Okay. And by that only I will explain since there is nothing as such. I want to print in reverse order. So what I will do here, I will initialize my I from 10 because first value which I want to print 10. So I will start from 10 and 10 must be greater than the further whatever value I wanted to print, and I want to run my loop till 1, 10 to 1. So until 10 greater or equal to 1, it will come inside the loop and it will print all the number in reverse order, and I have to decrease every time number. So I will do here minus. So I will save it. Now you see 10 is greater or equal to 1, condition true, it will come inside. 10 will get print. Now I become 1 minus, so 10 become 9, 9 will go here, 9 again, greater than or equal to 1, condition true, and it will go on till condition will get true. Okay, so now directly let me just first clear this screen so that you will get everything properly. So now let me just debug it. So when I will debug it, you will come to know. Now start hovering. You see, 10 is greater than equal to condition true. It will come inside that loop part. Now, next, it is, you can observe here. Okay. Now 9. And what I was explaining, the same thing is happening in reverse order. And you can output part, you can see that number is printing. Okay. Now you see every time it will print. So this is how you can uh, print the reverse order number. Once, now you observe here, I becomes 0. 0 is greater than equal to 1, condition false. So you will come out from the loop. And this is how you will get the entire loop. Understood? This is how. Let me remove the breakpoint. So this is how we have executed two programs. Now let me take the VS Code, okay, and now I will perform the third program. The third program which was there in the PDF file, that is print all the even number between 1 to 100, right? Print all the even number between 1 to 100. Understood? So this program we have to do. So let me give the name of this file first because it's important. 1 second. Let me get it. Okay. And let me add the file. The file. Okay. 1 second, guys. This is my this one. Let me take the file. File name is even.py. Okay, maybe we'll develop the multiple even odd number of programs. So right now, which is our task to print the all even number between 1 to 100. So like that, 2, 4, 6 till 100, which is divisible by 2. Formula you are aware about the even number since it is explained. So directly I will develop the program. So to write the program, you know that the program when you will start, you need one I variable, variable I, in which you are first taking the variable 2. This means the number will start from 2. Now I will run the while loop. You know the pattern. We are defining the condition, and based on we are performing the operations, and then we are giving the increment or decrement operation. So condition would be, you know, the condition number you want to print from I can say 2 to 100. You know, this would be the condition. Till 100 only I want to print, and I will print I. But what would be the condition? To print a even number, you see here, I will not check divisibility, though I will go through while loop. So why I should not increase this by 2? I should increase by 2 every time. Increment will happen. You can say plus 2. So first 2 is less than or equal to 100. Yes, absolutely correct. It will come inside the while scope. 2 will get print, and it will increment by 2. I value will get increment by 2. So previous value 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is less or equal to 100. Yes, then again it will come inside. So I become 4. It will go on. It will go on. So let me first clear the my terminal, then I can show. Now let me debug it so that you can analyze it. Okay, so you can observe here, it is printing 2, 4, 6. You can see a number is working till 100. Okay, now let me set the breakpoint. I set the breakpoint. Now debug it. Okay, now see here. And you can observe in the terminal. Now first I become 2, 2 is less or equal to 100, correct? Now I will print the 2 first, and you see in output terminal part you are seeing that the I now 2, and here I plus 2, I plus equals to 2 means I become 4. No, then condition check, true will come inside, and it will go, you know, I have to click 50 times to get the all the I can say the even numbers in between, and loop will work out like that. So your interpreter, Python interpreter, will taking the operation in such a way, you know, what I am doing now. So still I have to go along, and it is going on, and it is side by side printing the even numbers. So you should understand the logic, you should analyze it. Okay. So I hope this makes some sense. Now we are very close to hundreds. Okay, fine. Now 100. 102, since the condition false, you will come out from the loop. That's it. So this is how it will work. Let me remove this breakpoint. So we developed 3 programs. Now our task is to develop our next program, that is print all the odd numbers between 1 to 100. Now this time I have to print odd numbers between 1 to 100. Okay. And let me select the folder. Let me take this. This time odd.py, I will get the file name. I will hit enter. Now I am here. Let me use the same code. Only I will change some small changes I will do. So 1 to 100 odd. Okay, this is the program. Suppose in your exam they're asking how we will do. So I will start my number from 1, and then I will increase by 2 every time. Rest of things will be same only. Okay. So every time when loop will increment now 1, 3, 5, 7, like that it will go. I hope you got the idea. So this I will not debug, only simply I'm showing the output. You can observe the output in the, you can observe here, this odd numbers between 1 to 100 you are getting. So this about odd number. So today's last program we are going to develop. Fine. How will develop? You what is the last program first? Last program is a multiplication table. You take any number and print the table. Hmm? In the childhood, we remembered tables and we got lot of trouble during that time. But now we'll develop the program. So how we'll do that? So I will take one multiplication table file name. So this is my file name. Okay. Now I need to develop multiplication table of a given number. What I should develop? Multiplication table of a given number. Make sure all the numbers which we will give through user input only. Okay. So let's say my n1 is a one variable I am taking here, and I will take this from the user input. And I should take only what you are calling it. Only user input, right? So this I will do next. I need to multiply it, okay? I need to multiply it. How I will do? So first I will take one variable I and I will assign value 1. So what it means I will develop the multiplication table. So suppose 2 is a 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 is a 4, like that. Okay, so I will do that. And you see, everything is fine. My AI editor is given the code. So let me first remove this. Later I will add. Just first you see the table. Okay. Now let me save the program. What it will do, I less or equal to 10, condition 2, it will come inside. And you will take suppose 2. Okay. 2 into 1, 2. Now it will get print. Then I value will come down. I will get increment by 1. It become 1 to 2. 2 is less than 10. Yes, condition true. It will go on till condition will true. Okay. And it will print on all the table by multiplying this conditions. Okay. So this is how you can develop the program for the multiplication of a given number. Let me run it. Once I will run it, it will ask the number. Okay. You can observe here down. It is asking number. Let me take 2 only. So you can observe here. The table of 2 got printed. Okay. Now you can make it like more uh, uh, readable format. So how I will do that? So same thing. I will paste here. Okay. So what it will do? It will first display the number which you will take from the user input, then this sign multiplication. Okay. Then what would be the I 1, 2, 3, whatever will be equals to, and the multiplication. This will work like that. This is how you can develop this. Okay. Now let me run it, and debug you can do by yourself. Okay. Let me take the number 5 this time. Okay, 5 table will get printed. You can observe here. So this is what how you can develop these programs. And we saw the use cases of the while loop here. So in while loop, first we are giving the condition. Understood? First we are giving the conditions, and then initialization. I can say initialization, then condition. Okay. This is how while loop is checking the things. And then increment after printing information, you may give increment or decrement. This is how while loop will work. Okay. I hope you got the idea. Rest of programs we'll do first in the classroom. I will give some explanation on this. Then later I will develop all the PDF program. So let me take the PDF. Let me take you on the PDF which we are planning. So this is the total 8 phases. While loop, do while loop is not there in the Python program. So whatever program will be there, we'll do it with the help of while loop or for loop. Then for loop, then nested logic also will understand with respect to loop, then break and continue logic along with pass. Okay, pass one of a keyword which that we will see. Then mathematical series, then some mixed programs, then star printing pattern programs. Pattern program is very important for your placement point of view. Though this is very important, this is the backbone for the logic building. So here only I am stopping this video. And next video I will come with the rest of the programs one by one. We'll take. Okay, so today I have done these 5. Maybe in next video I will go through this another five or maybe more. It depends on the time and all, but you will get definitely all the programs. So I am stopping here only. Okay. So let me stop the recording. Thank you. Thank you. Utilize this. Okay.